Good day, students. Today we learn about I want to. My English Book 2, Unit 1.7. Let's speak. I want to.
I want to go out. It's raining. Do you still want to go? Yes, I want to play in the rain. You will get wet. Yes, but I want to enjoy the rain. Go ahead. I will finish my work and join you. Hooray! I want to play in the rain too. May I go? Yes, Chintu, you may. Hooray!
Listen and repeat. I want to go out.
I want to go out.
I want to play.
I want to play.
I want to enjoy the rain.
I want to enjoy the rain.